How to sign out of Walmart application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily sign out of your Walmart application on your smartphone or tablet. First of all, launch open the Walmart application on your device and make sure that you are inside the main home page. Once you're in, go to the account button at the bottom right and tap on it. Inside the account tab, scroll all the way down and you will see a sign out button. If you remember your account's credentials, just tap on sign out immediately and you'll be redirected to the home page logged out of your application. So that is how it's done. You can always sign back in by entering your login credentials whenever you are ready. Signing out is a good practice, especially if you are using a public device or someone else's device to sign into Walmart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.